What's up guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix notifications not working issue on your iPhone after 17.5.1 update. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about that after updating to the latest version of iOS 17, which is 17.5.1, they are facing an issue of notifications, that their notifications are not working or they are delaying and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video, I will tell you how to fix this issue. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to check your do not disturb mode. Make sure that your iPhone is not in do not disturb mode. When enabled, this mode silences all incoming calls and notification. You can check it. You can check if it's enabled by looking for the resident mode icon in the status bar or by simply going to the control center. After this, then you have to do is simply check your notification settings. Verify that notifications are enabled for the specific apps you are using. You are not receiving notification. You have to open the settings on your iPhone, then go to notifications. After this, select the app in question, like having an issue with my Facebook app. You have to make sure that allow notifications are enabled. After this, then you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to open this general and scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue and notifications are still not working on your iPhone, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. If none of the steps work, you can try setting your iPhone settings to the default values. To do this, you have to simply tap on transfer, reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix iPhone notification not working issue on your iPhones. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.